front, so everyone's going to tap in onto the rain this morning, currently over downtown Knoxville. You can see the reds showing up on the radar, indicating the heavier rainfall that is approaching Greenback at this hour. Up next will be Maryville, Alcoa, and Rockford. It's right over downtown Knoxville, continuing to push east from there. And then also, this is the view from Knoxville right now. We have the lower visibility. The camera's been shaking because it's very breezy. At the airport, observation ahead of the front is winds gusting to around 40 miles per hour. So expect some breezy winds, and then the heavy rain rolls in. You can see the line continues into Granger County, also up into Hancock County. This will continue to push further east. So Jefferson County, Hamblin County, expect rain here shortly. Now we are very windy, like I mentioned, gusting to around 40 miles per hour in the Knoxville and Maryville areas, and that's ahead of the cold front. We're still breezy behind the front. That's the cooler air, slightly cooler air settling in. Good news is we warm up today. We're going to see a lot of sunshine. This isn't the front that cools us down. We will climb into the 60s this afternoon. It's going to end up being a pretty mild day, similar to what we've seen the last couple of days. So most topping out in the upper 60s today. Should be a pleasant day with a lot of sunshine. Winds are still brisk through the morning before settling down tonight. Tonight is also when our next round of rain rolls in. I'll have that timeline coming up. All right, thank you, Matt. We'll continue to push further east here over the course of this next hour. Then we dry out. We're getting back to sunshine for the rest of the day. We're already done with rain across the plateau, but the soggiest conditions are in the valley at this hour. You can see downpours stretch from Athens to Madisonville, up towards Sweetwater, Greenback, into Alcoa, and Rockford, Knoxville as well, like really the southeastern part of Knox County, and that continues north from there. You can see the red shading through parts of Granger County, up into Hancock County as well. This is continuing to push east, so we're going to see some of this heavier rainfall up next into parts of Sevier, Jefferson, and Hamblin counties as well. So just be ready for it if you are getting out the door in the next few minutes, that you definitely need the rain gear if you're stepping out, because of downpours associated with this line. That will continue to push further east. Within the next 1 to 2 hours, we're done with the rain, and then we're getting back to sunshine through the afternoon. So today's shaping up to be a pretty nice day, still sticking with our theme that the rain chances continue to favor the night into the early morning. It is very breezy ahead of that front. You can see it picking up here, gusting ahead of it 30 to 40 miles per hour, and we're still breezy behind the front. That's some slightly cooler air working its way in. Now, we are going to warm up today, but notice how we've dropped to the 50s across the plateau. Ahead of the front, we're still at 70 in Gatlinburg and in Newport. So quite a spread in temperatures this morning. We will see temperatures climb back up into the 60s this afternoon. Rain chances diminish this morning. We'll see temperatures fall a few degrees, and then warming right back up into the afternoon with plenty of sunshine, most topping out in the 60s later on today, with a wind coming in from the west. Overnight, we'll fall down into the 40s. It should be another cool night, colder than what we've seen really the last several nights. Picking the timeline back up, this evening, we are going to see another round of rain. So after this batch moves through, we're done with rain for the day, and this evening looks okay. It's late tonight. Again, the theme continues on. Late tonight that we start to see some rain roll through, especially along and south of I-40. Scattered showers, that continues overnight and then into early on Saturday, and then we dry things out by Saturday afternoon. Still enjoying some sunshine for the second half of the day, and that's why we climb into the upper 50s and low 60s. So tomorrow, it's still going to be a mild day. The cold front will sweep through once again Saturday night into Sunday. So picking the timeline back up. Saturday evening, we're still dry. We head into Saturday night. Some spotty light rain showers will be around. That colder air is starting to move in. So we'll see a changeover to some snow in the mountains, mainly the higher elevations, also along the Kentucky-Virginia state line. This is one of those northwest flow setups that really favors some snowfall over the highest peaks in the Smokies. There's also an opportunity that we see perhaps a stray snow flurry at times during the day on Sunday, mainly over the higher elevations. So for accumulation, got to go up in elevation, really above 5,000 feet, 2 to potentially upwards of 4 inches of snow, and we could see some accumulation again along the Kentucky-Virginia state line as well. So to recap, we have the widespread rain around this morning, another round of some spotty rain showers, especially south tonight. Then the cold front sweeps through once again Saturday night. That'll bring spotty light rain showers with a changeover to some snow for the mountains. So our soggy theme does continue on, but the idea is the pattern continues. So really favoring the night into the early morning. Sunday is drier and cooler, 40s for highs. Monday, we'll see the 30s for highs. Tuesday morning is very chilly. Some of us wake up to the teens, but we're back closer to average by the middle of next week.